Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade lip gloss. First, gather your essential ingredients, such as petroleum jelly and a nourishing oil like coconut oil. Next, decide on your desired color and flavor to personalize your creation. Make sure all your tools, like mixing spoons and containers, are sparkling clean and ready. This preparation ensures a smooth and enjoyable crafting experience. Now let's get to the fun part, melting and mixing. Gently melt your base ingredients, like petroleum jelly and coconut oil, using a double boiler. This method prevents burning and ensures a smooth consistency. Once melted, carefully mix in your chosen color and flavorings. Stir everything thoroughly until all components are beautifully blended, creating a uniform and appealing mixture. Time to customize your gloss. For color, incorporate a small amount of cosmetic-grade pigment. Start with just a tiny bit and add more if needed to achieve your desired shade. Then, add a few drops of food-grade flavoring oil for a delightful scent and taste. Remember, you can always adjust both the color and flavor to perfectly match your personal preference. Finally, let's prepare your lip gloss for use. Carefully pour the warm mixture into clean, small containers like tiny pots or tubes. Allow the lip gloss to cool completely and solidify. This might take a few hours. Once firm, your homemade lip gloss is ready to enjoy. Store it in a cool, dry place to maintain its quality and extend its shelf life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.